Good morning, girls. As already advised to you, now your Christmas vacations have started from tomorrow. But in these vacations, we will do one art integrated project. Art integrated project means a project which will combine the various subjects. It will be based on art also, and it will involve the other subjects also. Now, how to make that project? For that, we will make a card. Okay, what are we going to make? We are going to make a card, and it is compulsory for each and every student to make this. All the class 7 students will make a card, individual card. Okay, now you will take a A3 size paper, and you will, suppose this is an A3 size paper. I did not have that, so I just took a paper drawing sheet and I folded it to make a card out of it. Okay, first thing that is clear. On the front page, so on the front page, what you will do, we will decorate this front page with the help of paper quilling. You know what is paper quilling? The small rolls that we make out of paper. If you do not know what is paper quilling, I know that you all must be knowing. If you do not know, that just search on the net, you will be able to know. Okay, these are the small strips of paper, then we make a roll out of that. That is called paper quilling. With the help of that paper quilling, what we will do, we will make any science figure using paper quilling. Any science figure. Now you will say, ma'am, what is a science figure that we can use? So what you will do, you will take your science book, and from here you can make any figure using those paper quilling rolls. Okay, you can make a leaf, you can make a stomata, or you can make a plant. Okay, you will just try to give the shape of that plant using those rolls. Or what you can do, you can make any science figure. You can make a solar system, that also you can make, because that is also related to science. Then you can make a Venus flytrap, isn't it? You can do that. So any figure that you like, it can be any object, it can be any bacteria, it can be any insect, it can be any animal, it can be any bird, it can be any plant. You can make amoeba. Okay, you can make this. So these are the examples which I am giving to you. You can make any bird, you can make an owl or any bird, right? Any animal. For example, caterpillar is there. Caterpillar is there. You can make this using the paper quilling rolls. Okay. Everything that you make, anything that you make, that must be having those paper quilling rolls, right? Then apart from here, what else you can take? There are various other things that you can take from here, from your science book, or apart from your science book, anything related to science, you can take that, right? What you can make a thermometer. You can do that also, right? You can do some sketching also in that. That doesn't mean that the entire thing will be made of paper quilling rolls only. Paper quilling rolls have to be there. You can make a flask, a thermos flask. So anything that you think. A hibiscus flower you can make, right? So this way you will make the front page. Now, what do you have to do in the second page? Then second page, that means when we turn this card on this page here, what you will do, you will write a few lines about it. Suppose you have taken a hibiscus flower here. You have made a hibiscus flower. So you will write a few lines about that. This is it has male parts, it has female parts, whatever you have learnt about it. Suppose you have made a solar system here. So you can write there that our solar system is called Milky Way, and then sun is the center of that, planets are there, whatever you want to. If you have made a Venus fly trap, so you can write the qualities of that Venus flytrap. What does it do? How does it catches the food? So anything which we have made here, you have to write about that here. You can make a telescope also there. You can make lenses also there. You can make a plane mirror. You have learned about the plane mirror, the characteristics of the plane mirror. So you can make a mirror and you can write about the characteristics of the plane mirror. Anything that you want to do. Okay, so this is the second page. Now, what do we have? So we have taken the drawing, the art form. Then what we have done? We have taken the language form. You are writing in English, so we are taking the help of the English language, right? And we are drawing a science figure, so we have taken help of the science subject, right? Now, what you will do on the third page? Now, this page. You will decorate this page by making the different mathematical figures. So decorate it with the different mathematical figures. How mathematical figures can be circle, can be triangle, can be rectangle, can be hexagon, can be a pyramid, can be a prism, whatever you have learned in your maths, all the different figures. This is just an example that I have shown. You can decorate it in any way, that but showing the mathematical figures. So we will take the maths also in this, the subject maths, right? So in this way we will use the various subjects combined together in the art integrated project. This will be a card. This you have to make in your this Christmas vacation. Don't leave it pending, because when the schools will open, when you have to come to submit your files, maybe on that day only we will ask you to submit these cards. And everybody must make their own individual card. I hope I am clear to you and the concept is also clear to you. Okay, so I will be waiting for your cards.